Hello, Jordan here from Artisan Electrics. I thought we'd give you a very brief little van tour today. Because of the Tradify van games, I thought I'd show off my van a little bit. It's a Ford Transit Custom and I've got the seat covers. I'm a bit of a neat freak, to be honest. This is all kind of like materials stuff that I've got for the week ahead. High-vis jacket, dust sheets, racking of all my sort of consumable accessories and things like that. All my silicons and bits and pieces there. Behind here I've got loads of like little bits of test equipment. Cleaning stuff is here, sleeving, earth cables, all that kind of thing here. So I've got it all nicely signed, written and everything, which I love. I think it's a great art. It's a great advert for your business to have your van signed written. And I got my ladder racks, my proper roof rack. So I tend to keep a long ladder on the roof when I need it, and then I take it off when I don't need it. So that is my van. That's my work car there behind, the Tesla. I hope you enjoyed this little van tour. Get in on the Tradify van games, it's going to be awesome. And thanks for watching.